10 hours later.
It's lights out and away we go.
Now I'm becoming a threat. I fucking heard what you said. I'll make you have some regrets. And no, I never forget. So now you have a few debts. That shit, it needs to be paid. With blood is some sort of pain. You caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear. I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here. The sound of deafening fear. My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he snaps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks, I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place.
Tyson Burkett crossing that line.
Well, Burkett had already crossed, so he's 4 seconds ahead of Harrison Marich. I think Burkett may have to work his way through a couple of slower cars there. He's going to be coming down the hill as Will Taylor picks up the checkered flag and gets it ready for the arrival.
Now it looks like, Holden's going to have a challenger here.
Tyson,
take a look at this blue cart that's come up behind him.
Tyson Burkett picks up the win. It should be Marich coming home in second. And now the battle.
Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Sensational. You deserve that absolutely fully. Well done. Well done.
Yes! Cheers, boys. all good.
Yes!
Absolutely brilliant, mate. Absolutely brilliant. That's definitely worthy of a fist bump, that one. Nice job.